With Afghanistan's economy on the brink, the country is now looking at securing more foreign investment. One key area is the country's mineral wealth that the Taliban will now look at touting while also showing improved security within the country. Here's more.
Underneath the mountains of eastern Afghanistan lie rich reserves of nephrite, the precious green stone which is part of the cash-strapped Taliban's push to capitalize on the war-ravaged country's rich mineral resources. Until now, the lack of modern machinery and dearth of technical know-how forced the Taliban authorities to send the indigenously extracted nephrite to China to be processed further for international markets.
Nephrite
is not generally used here, and there are no technicians capable of processing it for the international market. Nephrite is sent from here to China, where it is processed into products for international markets. It is used to make jewelry, such as bracelets, rings, and so on.
According to the US and UN assessments from 2010 and 2013, the rich mineral resources such as emeralds, rubies, marbles, gold, and lithium buried across Afghanistan's rocky landscape are estimated to be worth a staggering $1 trillion. Decades of war had spared these reserves from large-scale exploitation. That is set to change. The Taliban government has signed nearly 200 contracts worth billions of dollars, a majority of them with local companies.
The extraction, exploration, and processing of mines requires a great deal of financial and technical capacity, and unfortunately, because Afghanistan has spent many years at war and the war has just ended, Afghans do not have such skills, which is why we want to attract foreign investors, because they have the technical, experience, and financial capacity. So both Afghans and foreign companies will benefit.
Though there have been sporadic attacks on foreigners claimed by the Islamic State group, the much improved security situation in the mountainous country has boosted investors' confidence. Reaping the benefits of bullish investor sentiment is the employment sector. It is estimated that 150,000 jobs have been created by the sector since the Taliban returned to power in 2021.
I didn't have a job before. Then we heard there was investment in the mines, so we went to take part in the auction. We have a lot of partners and our company won the auction.
Given Afghanistan's relative inexperience in mining, there are few, if any, regulations that the companies coming in have to contend with. While Kabul is still to be recognized internationally and is bearing the brunt of Western sanctions, only a handful of countries, such as Iran, Turkey, Uzbekistan, Qatar, and China, have maintained economic and diplomatic ties with Afghanistan's capital. This select bunch, with China leading the way, is well positioned to seize the opportunity and make it a win-win proposition for both sides.